Today, October 1st, 2019, is Shenseea 23rd birthday. And I want to say happy birthday to Shenseea. And all of the Sheng Yang them, want to big up on yourself. That's what I say. But I don't want to say I saw Shenseea young. Maybe I know say she young still, you know. But who else thinks that Shenseea is older than 23? Maybe 24, 5? I don't know. But I'm surprised if you know say she just 23 still. I don't know. If you don't feel like I see him thing, like you don't feel like she did a little bit older, you don't put in the comments still. Not that she look older or anything, you know. That not nothing to do with it. I just think so. Maybe I choose she been out a while now, and maybe in a year I records them and thing. I just think that she a little bit older than 23. So, happy birthday again, Shenseea. Hope you have a wonderful day, the most blessed day. You know, say me I wish you that. But, you know, say, the person we are sending the most wishes and the most heartfelt post them to Shenseea is none other than Romeich himself, the boss, Romeich Entertainment. So, you don't know the thing, I'm going to tell you what Romeich going with, because I'm going with a bag of posting, you know. Nobody no post Shenseea more than Romeich this morning. So Romeich posted and said, happy birthday at Shenseea. My artist, my friend, my everything. You know all I have for you is love and respect. You have a special part of my heart that no one can have. I hope you have a lovely day. More. Love you forever and ever. Amen. Oh, you are my baby and the mother of my adopted son, Raj. First pic taken by, and them tag the photographer. Him tag the photographer. And the first pic was this one that you're seeing right now. So Shenseea responded and Shenseea said, Jada Paparazzi, my favorite skin to squeeze, thanks a lot, at Romeich Entertainment. And then Romeich said, can bet you miss squeezing it. Yeah. So she talk about the video where she has squeezed the bump in her face. Because that was part of the whole post. It was 3 things on the post. So it didn't stop there, because Romeich made more posts. So Romeich posts again and him said, me put this at Shenseea, you turn 23 today. Me grow you good enough. And then he made another post and said, happy birthday to one of my closest friend at Shenseea. And again, he made another post and he said, happy birthday to one of the coolest girl I know at Shenseea. So we all know the relationship between Shenseea and Romeich as artist manager, right? Because we see them all the while on the Instagram and all over the internet. So this cool. Me like this. Big up Romeich for that. You see what I say? I respect that. Now, I can bet say Romeich go buy Shenseea some kind of gift. I just wait for them video there for surface. For make a video for show you say, yeah, who want bet pan it? Get in the comment section and tell me. Because I know say Romeich go buy her something. Something where kind of expensive or something. I don't know yet, but let's see. Alright, but right now what I want to do for the remainder of the video, you see me I want to check out the artist here. The artist is named Strait, and this is Jahvillani, Wild Side artist. So you know Jahvillani was sing say, man steady with the matic, anywhere me see the enemy me clap it, oh God. Steady up, and the man will say, one dana rock, brand new clocks on foot. You see me I say, man a real bad man, that's why she love me, she don't want the money, she just want. Yeah, man, big up your wild side God, you see me I say. But Strait is just as bad, you see me I say. Bad artist. May I tell you this? Strait have a tune name say, just can't trust them. Yo, I one of the realest tune that me ever hear. You see me I say. But me there run up my mouth too much. So I want to check out the video. He might introduce Strait to Wild Side. So he's a Wild Side artist. He officially, the God himself say, him is a Wild Side artist. So check out this. Alright? And if you haven't like and follow the page, like and follow the page. Respect.